The steps. Look at you, go girl. I am melting. Melting. Oh, goodness. This is not safe. Look at these steps. Do you even call these steps? This is crazy. It's beautiful. It's worth it.
Oh, you just gotta make it back up.
Called a helicopter to get us back up. Oh, we're not done. So what's this beach called?
Diamond Beach.
Diamond Beach. Alright. Oh, this sand is so soft. I feel so good. Woo! Feels good, doesn't it? This is definitely worth coming down here. It's so beautiful. So tell us where we're at.
Diamond Beach. Can't you see the diamond?
Diamond Beach, but what island, where we at?
Nusa Penida, Bali. Ooh, it's cold.
What is it?
Nusa Penida.
Nusa Penida.
Penida.
Penida. Nusa Penida in Bali. We were staying at Ubud from our previous video. You seen when we were walking around the city of Ubud. We had to drive about an hour to get to a beach. And then we got on a boat for another hour to get over here to Nusa Penida. Nusa Penida. But man, all that traveling was worth it. This is so beautiful. I was not ready for this. I don't even know if the camera can capture it. That feels good.
Moment one.
Crazy. Did you see how close she was sitting on that ledge? Hey man, couldn't be me, I guess. It's already pushing my limit. Alright guys, so to give you more context on this location, Diamond Beach is located on Nusa Penida Island, southeast of Indonesia's island, Bali. Depending on where you are staying in Bali, your journey could be long to get here, but trust me, it is worth the commute. It is recommended to hire a driver so that you are able to be picked up from the boat docks and they can take you to various locations on the island. Our next stop was Killer King Beach. You've probably seen this plenty of times on IG. But we didn't go down to the beach this time, but the views were breathtaking.